Is ChatGPT making us dumb? It's a fair question, honestly, because ChatGPT, yeah, it's brilliant. It can write your essays, code your apps, probably tell you what to eat for dinner. It's like having a 24/7 brain without the overthinking or anxiety. But here's where things get weird. ChatGPT is a lifesaver for people who really genuinely don't know what they're doing. Like, completely clueless? No idea where to start? ChatGPT steps in like, "Don't worry, buddy, I got you." And that's great. It helps level the playing field, gives confidence, teaches, assists. But then, there are the others. You know the ones. The overacting, fake smart, drama club energy people. They type one sentence into ChatGPT, get a decent response, and suddenly they're out here acting like they wrote a best-selling novel in an afternoon. "Oh, I spent hours researching this blog." Really? Hours? Nah, bro. You spent 4 seconds typing "write a blog on marketing trends" and then took the rest of the day off. They slap their name on it, post it like it's divine wisdom, tag it with #grindset, and then go around giving TED Talk energy about content strategy. We can't bear it. Look, no one's saying you shouldn't use ChatGPT. Use it, abuse it, make it your digital sidekick. That's what it's there for. But don't act like you invented fire because AI handed you a lighter. There's a difference between using tools and pretending to be the tool maker. So no, ChatGPT isn't making us dumb. It's revealing who's actually thinking and who's just really good at copy-pasting. Use ChatGPT, sure, but bring yourself to the work too. Use your brain, add your twist, say something real, because if you're just parroting AI and pretending it's original, you're not clever, you're just loud. And the rest of us? We're rolling our eyes so hard we might pull something. Thanks for watching. Now go do something original, even if ChatGPT helped you write it. Peace.